see. Hey,
Can you hear us?
I can hear you.
All right, buddy. They're pretty confused about the speedometer thing on like. Well, I got your message about 11 and 13, so I think we're good on that one. But what was the other one?
We're starting 21 now.
Number 21.
Would the speed be for 21 to calculate it?
Come up here, Rob.
You guys need motors on those things.
Yeah.
They're looking at 21, and she asked if the speed. Make sure they're looking at it right, and its speed's 10.
That's what I would expect. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then, what does the triangle mean? I looked in the PowerPoint and still didn't quite understand what it meant.
Oh, this thing right here,
Yes.
like that. That's the capital letter, the Greek letter delta, and it means different.
Okay.
So, in this case, in the case of this formula, where h is the height, you want to change in height. How far did he move in height? So you take the height, the final height minus the initial height, and that gives you delta H. Actually, the final height at the bottom would be 0, right? So the change in height is just where was he before he started? Okay. Do we need more? I think I see puzzled looks.
Maybe it's a little bit. 24, is that the same? What is G gravity in that formula? I'm assuming.
Did you say number 4?
24.
Oh, 24.
He asked if the G in 24 was gravity.
It's the acceleration due to gravity.
Okay, that's what she got. Yeah.
Yeah, it's always that value.
Yeah, they were looking at that. They were looking at the speedometer thing all wrong. And then I got onto my computer and looked at it, and I see exactly where you put 10.8. And my morning class, when they were here, they didn't even read that. And I was like, I should have looked at it before they even started it. But they didn't even look at it.
Well, there are no other submissions after that one I deleted.
Yeah, they were just working on it. They most of them got to about a number like 10 or 11 this morning, and then they're going to finish it tonight or tomorrow and submit it tomorrow evening.
Okay. Do you think they need some type of help? Were there questions like the ones I just heard?
Yeah. They had the questions similar to that. And that's why I told him. I said that when I sent them all a text message out, and I said, y'all got to read that Cause I think they just went through there and thought they could do it, kind of like last week's lab, and I was like, it's nothing comparable, you can't do that, but they finally figured it out,
Okay.
but, are y'all good, girls?
One more.
Alright, one more question, Dr. Bob.
Okay.
How do I explain this without,
Like the second when we start friction at the top, how do we
what form,
figure that out?
yeah, like what form does the missing energy take? How will we find?
It's right before number 15.
15?
Right
Before.
before it.
Oh,
It doesn't have a number beside it.
It's like right above the actual picture.
yeah. What form does the energy? Okay, when you've got friction involved, you're going to lose some of that energy. Okay, so you have to account for all the energy that was at potential and now is kinetic. Because you can't create energy, you can't destroy energy. It's got to go somewhere. So the most likely place, if somebody says friction, think heat, thermal energy.
What did I say?
They know more science than we give them credit for, I know that.
Yeah, just kind of, you got to step out a little bit.
So with that, so it turns into heat, but what form would the missing energy take? That's what we're quite confused on.
It's heat,
Okay,
heat or thermal energy. Either one is acceptable.
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Alright,
Okay.
buddy, appreciate